So when your body's just feeling restless, this is the one for you. So we begin by shaking. Shake out the hands, shake out the lower arms, the upper arms, the shoulders. Let it shake. Shake out one leg, let it go. Shake out the other leg. You can place both feet on the floor and shake out through the knees. You can shake out through the hips. Keep everything moving, however that shake feels good for you. You can shake the arms up. You can also shake the body down. Keep it shaking. Let it all go for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Place your feet back down onto the floor. Take a moment to pause here. Feel the earth beneath you. Feel that buzz of energy around the body from the shaking. On your next inhale, reach the fingertips up overhead. The right hand holds onto the left wrist, lengthen the spine. And as you exhale, draw your hands over towards the right and your hips towards the left. Breathe into that left side of the body. Feel the energy flow down that left side. Inhale back to center, switch your hands, lengthen up towards the sky, take the hands over towards the left, hips towards the right, and breathe. Filling the right side of the body this time. On your next inhale, come back to center, reach the fingertips up towards the sky, rise up onto the toes and feel the length from your fingertips down towards your heels, stretching the body up, reach, 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 and exhale, drop the heels back down. Cactus your elbows out towards the side, so elbows in line with your shoulders. Inhale, puff up the chest and come into a small back bend here, squeezing the shoulder blades together to open up the front of your heart space. Filling the front of the lungs with that beautiful, fresh oxygen, energizing through the system. One more inhale. And as you exhale, let the hands go, let the head go and roll down through the spine. Soften your knees. And once you're down there, rest the belly on the thighs. So bend your knees as much as you need to. Begin to have a little sway through the body. The hands can remain on the floor if you'd like a little bit more traction in the spine. Holding on to the elbows helps increase that weight through the back of the body, lengthening through the neck. You can shake the head out no, you can nod the head yes. Just really feeling that tension release down into the earth, out of the body. And then find your stillness. Feel the feet down into the ground. You can release the hands back down to the earth. And then rolling up through each vertebrae, one by one, pushing down into the earth with the feet. Head is the last thing to come up. Feel the ground beneath you. Feel the length of the body. On your inhale, rise up onto your toes. And on your exhale, let them go. Drop down to the earth. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, drop it down. One more. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, let it go. Take a couple of moments here just to breathe into the body. To simply observe how you feel, how your breath is. Maybe noticing any change of how you felt 3 minutes ago to how you feel now. Hopefully you feel a little bit more back into your body. You feel a little bit more energized in your system. Thank you so much.